We had that crazy meal last night. And I haven't eaten since supper time. Well, what's supper time? We got there at, 7? And we didn't leave until 12:30. And we're pretty much almost 1 o'clock in the morning. And we're kind of munching away the whole time. However, I'm hungry now. That looks pretty good. Jerk spice chicken empanada, looks like a Jamaican patty. That sounds pretty good. Little beer, a little red stripe. I am hungry. Not all that thirsty, but I gotta have a sip of that beer. This is a big empanada. I've seen many much smaller. Yum. It's hot. Red stripes are fantastic. We've been to Jamaica.
And knocking me out with those American thighs.
That's a good beer. Now I wish I got my own. Let's see what they got at Mexico. Oh, tacos. Well, I didn't get a taco, but let's do it one more time. Maybe there'll be a shorter lineup today. We did try to eat here once, and I messed up. I booked a reservation at the restaurant kind of across the way instead of here. But unfortunately, I keep hearing really bad reviews. And this is like the don't eat at restaurant. So I don't know. We're going to have to try it one of these days. I love Mexican food.
What means ay caramba? Who is? I don't know. Hasta la vista!
This is a place we've never been. La Cava del Tequila, or the Tequila Cave. There's all kinds of awesome tequila drinks and all kinds of really high-end tequilas, and they got some snacks. One of these days, it's on my Disney to-do list for sure. It's like a little Mexican town. Town square. It is awesome. It's one of my favorite spots. This is the warm, I'm gonna say it wrong, warm raclette, which is like melted Swiss cheese. I'm really looking forward to trying that.
3 raclettes all day.
Thank you so much. Yum. Okay. I'm trying to eat this as quick as we can because I think that I want to get it while the cheese is still really hot. See that? No, we're not doing it. 70 minutes. Which is weird. There's no line outside. We're at the Joy of Tea, which actually I don't think is a food and wine booth. It's a permanent booth. But Charmaine's gonna try the Tipsy Ducks in Love, and I'm gonna have a egg roll. So in Canada, when I get an egg roll, it'll come with plum sauce. Is duck sauce just plum sauce? I'm gonna find out. This is Tipsy Ducks in Love. What is it? I know there's bourbon. Chocolate, bourbon, oh, black coffee. Wow, like a boozy Vietnamese coffee. It's the best way to describe it. Okay, now I'm gonna try this egg roll and find out, is duck sauce plum sauce? Maybe this is only relevant for Canadian people. It's not. It's very different.
Tastes like ducks?
Doesn't taste like duck either. It's sweet-ish. I like plum sauce better. I would like Thai chili sauce better. All the booze is at the bottom of this drink. Charmaine's like, ah, too boozy. I like bourbon. It's a good combo. Next stop, India. Ooh, warm Indian bread. I gotta try that bread. So we're trying the naan bread, and it's got 3 different dips to try, and I have no idea what they are.
I think that's a mango salsa.
This is the mango. It's really nice. I don't know what it is. This is the green sauce. Also really good. Last one I think it's like a doll. I don't like that one as much. The mango's the winner for sure.
Well, travelers, please pardon this brief pause.
Sneaking through just in time. They're about to one of the barges through for Epcot Forever. Here are the offerings here in Africa. The Kenyan coffee barbecue beef tenderloin with sweet potato corn malay pap.
Oh, yeah, you can take one.
That sounds pretty yummy. Yeah, I think we should give that a try. It's cold. It's okay. It's not that great. We're gonna get a couple things here. We're gonna get those noodles with a ham and bratwurst. Well, it's a cute little bratwurst. And that is some very serious mac and cheese right there.
Ham and cheese, something.
Ham, cheese, onion, and noodles. And a heck of a view. This is a bratwurst on a pretzel bun. How bad can that be? That's really good. That's really good. That's very comfort food. Very good. Eat to the Beat is going on, and tonight it is Boys to Men, and it's crazy. This is one that I always like to stop at. I'm going to grab that New England lobster roll. This is definitely a very popular booth. Basically 2 bites. They're 2 great bites. So Morocco has a New York steak with green Charmaine flatbread, spicy hummus fries, which I've heard are really good, and chocolate baklava. Someone lost a little monkey. Aww. Little soother. These are hummus fries. Never tried them. Let's find out. They're quite large. Love the smell of the sandalwood incense as you're going through Morocco. It's awesome. That's really one of my favorite spots. I think we got a kitchen party happening over here.
I courted with a pretty girl, was her caused me to roam. For I'm a river driver and I'm far away from home. I'll eat when I am hungry and I'll drink when I am dry. Get drunk whenever I'm ready, get sober by and by. And if this river don't drown me, it's down on me to roam. For I'm a river driver and I'm far away from home.
We're soaring in row 1, section B. That's where you want to be.
When the doors to your flight open, please take a seat and store all carry-on items in the under-seat compartment. This includes cameras, purses, hats, and of course, these little dudes.
Well, for the very first time, there is now a 4th option to get over to Hollywood Studios. Thank you. So previously you had a boat, you had a bus, you had your feet, and now we've got the Skyliner.
Hi, friends. Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner. Flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn.
I thought maybe we got on the wrong one. Raccoon Beach, and yeah, we just stay on the Skyliner. And they just told us that, so I can quit freaking out. This is so nice. So we are transferring to Hollywood Studios, so we're going over, there's the sign here, and it directs you right over here to this one, so we've been going the right way. There's so many cool designs, like that Chewbacca. So cool.
Your belongings and watch your
We're
step.
having so much fun.
I gotta say, that was pretty cool. Very smooth, pretty quick, not hard to do, and comfortable. Yeah, that's a great new feature, Walt Disney World. Look at that beautiful Hollywood Tower Hotel. That's where we're headed. First time I've seen this. No pre-queue show, just walk right on through. Here we go. Oh! Whoa! I love that part. All these years and we're still making mistakes. So, because it's now past 9 o'clock, 32. We cannot take the Skyliner back to Epcot. That's where we're parked. We have to take the bus.
Loser!
Another crazy night. Epcot, more food and wine, and over to Hollywood Studios for a quick ride on Tower of Terror, a little bit of fireworks, then a learning lesson about having to take the bus back, because if you park at Epcot and you go over to Hollywood Studios, if it's 9 o'clock, you can't get back into Epcot. So, lesson learned.
Loser!
But from Elvis's pajamas, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time from the Holy Moly.